Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make a snack, and that is a little spicy. So it is called spicy diamond cuts, and we used to make this, especially my mom used to make this during Christmas time when we were children, and it is called Namak Para in Hindi. So I'm not sure any other language, but this is, and it is a very tasty and easy to make snack. My mom will show you how it is done. What, mommy?
Okay, yes.
The first ingredient to be used to make our spicy diamond cuts is all-purpose flour or maida. And we have taken 200 grams of flour. The next ingredient to be added is half a teaspoon of salt. Third ingredient to be added is Kashmiri Chilli powder, which is half teaspoon. Now we need to mix the ingredients together. The next ingredient to be added is baking soda, which is half teaspoon. The next ingredient to be added is 1 teaspoon of sugar that we need to sprinkle. Now we need to pour a little water to make it a dough. We add water occasionally to make it a soft dough, like a chapati dough. Now we have made our dough, and the next step is to make it into small balls. Now we have made 4 small dough balls, and the next step is to flatten it with some maida or all-purpose flour. Now we mix the dough ball, flour, and we need to flatten it. Now we have flattened our dough in the form of a chapati. It's nice and round. Next we need to use a cutter. Now we are going to cut our dough using a cutter into diamond shapes. Now we cut our dough into diamond shapes, and this is going to get fried. Next we need to light a stove. Pour sufficient oil. We need to wait till the oil is hot so that we can deep fry our spicy diamond cuts. Oil is hot, and we are going to drop in our cut dough to make a spicy diamond cuts. We need to fry our spicy diamond cuts until they are golden brown in color.
Hi.
Rosby, say hi.
Hi.
If the flame is too high, it might get over fried, so reduce the flame as required. Now our spicy diamond cuts are golden brown in color, and we need to place it on a tissue paper to absorb all the oil, and is ready to be served. This can be had with coffee or tea, and this is a favorite snack for kids. Please do try it at home and let us know in the comments below. We hope that you liked watching our videos, and we request you to share it with your friends. If you found this video useful and informative, please do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. This will help us to improve our channel and the quality of recipe videos that we would create in future. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.